this tutorial, I will show you how to make a smooth zoom-in transition in Premiere Pro. So if you want to learn it, keep watching. Go to the project panel, click on new item, then select adjustment layer. Click OK, then drag and drop the adjustment layer onto the timeline and set the duration to 20 seconds. Then place the layer between the cut. In the effects panel, type transform. Then drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Now to enable motion blur, uncheck the use composition shutter angle box and set the angle to 180 for a smooth blur. Then create a keyframe in the middle and set the scale to 400. Then move 5 frames backwards using the arrow key and set a keyframe at 100. Next, move to the cut, go 5 frames forward and set a keyframe to 100 again. Right-click the first keyframe and select Ease Out. Then right-click the last keyframe and select Ease In. Now expand the speed graph to see the lines better. Then move the first blue line to the right and make sure it's in a straight position. Now move the last blue handle to the left and again make sure it stays in a straight position. And that's it. For more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.